Hi, Crystal. Sorry for the delay on getting to this task for you. We've just been incredibly busy. In any case, it looks like you have discovered some of the tools here. So I see that you've gone to portfolios and you've started a new item here for under construction. And it looks like maybe you even found this templates tool, which, I don't think this is really quite set up for the way that it's done now. And as you've discovered, this media grid isn't doing the trick for you compared to the other items here. So what I would suggest, rather than trying to use the template, is actually just potentially duplicating one of these. Because if you go into one of these, and it sounds like from your email you already noticed this, that it is using the grid, which can be a slightly confusing tool. So maybe what the first best step here is to take one of these, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit duplicate on it. And it's going to give it the same name and give it a slug here of French Country Retreat 2. And just so we know what the heck is going on here, I'm just going to call it test portfolio item from video. And of course, you can rename this anytime you want and actually use it for what you're going to be doing. Anytime you want the slug to match the title of the page, you can just delete it and hit OK, and it will make a slug from that title for you, so you don't have to retype it, or you can customize it if Catherine's giving you something specific for SEO reasons that needs to go here. That's how you edit the slug for the page. It doesn't have to match the title of the page. It looks like for the most part you know how to edit these things. So if you want to change out this image here, of course, you just hit the pencil here, and you could come in to the media library and use, I think it's this one that you've used. Looks like you already know how to do that. Then you already have all of this text here as well. Of course, you can edit that as needed. Now down here, obviously, this just references a item that's already been created using the grid tool. So once that is done and it's created, you just come here and you hit on the pencil, obviously, and you pick the new item that will be in the list. There's two different types of these, as you've, I'm sure, noticed. There's the simple one, which is just, neither one is all that complicated. There's these, which are obviously just the photos, and then there's these, which are the actual posts. So that's going to be part 2 here. I'm going to try to keep this a little bit shorter. So I will make a second one for how to deal with the grid, maybe separate ones each for the media and for the post types.